Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel, and if you are new, welcome. My name is Jervy and I thank you for stopping by, and I'm hoping na i-consider mong mag-subscribe sa ating channel. So for today's video, as you can see sa background ko, I am sharing with you all my hair care products that I'm currently using. Just to give you a bit of a background about my hair, I'm on the dry side, and to be exact, damaged dry side. So I'm just gonna show you, that's what my hair looks like. Just a disclaimer, if these products works for me, it doesn't mean na mag-work sa'yo. So, just keep that in mind. If you have a damaged and dry hair like me, hopefully this video will help you. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So, I'm going to show you the products one by one and by size. So, the first one that I'm going to show you is this little baby here. And this is the Vitress. I bought this one from the Philippines 2 years ago. Yun yung umuwi ako ng Pilipinas year 2018. And as you can see, marami pa talaga siyang laman. Kasi with this one, isang patak lang, ayan, tanggal ang sebo. You only have to put a little bit because a little goes a long way. And normally, yung ginagawa ko, every time I use a heat tool on my hair, ina-apply ko to every time kasi yung mga plancha at saka curler, yung mga ganyan, they are very drying for our hair, kaya it's good to put moisture in it again. So yun yung ginagamit ko. And the second one that I'm going to share with you is this product from L'Oreal. Ayan, if you can see it properly. So this is the humidity defying leave-in cream and 48-hour freeze control. So ito yung ina-apply ko sa buhok ko pagkalabas ko ng shower. So while my hair is still damp, nilalagyan ko ng ganito, and oh my god, the smell of this one is divine. Like seriously, I love the smell of my hair every time na nilalagay ko to. So yeah, a thumbs up for this one. So the third and fourth item na i-share ko sa inyo today are these oils. So this is the castor oil and this is the organic sesame oil. So these two ginagamit ko not only for moisturizing my hair but also for growing my hair. So I had a really sad hair story. Year 2016, I went and get a balayage done on my hair. I went to this Vietnamese salon in Melbourne. As soon as I went in the salon, I showed them the photo. Sabi ko, ito yung kulay na gusto ko. And then, they started the process. Few hours later, tinanong nila ako kung yun yung kulay na gusto ko. And then, I looked at my hair and I said like, no, I showed you the photo and that's the color that I wanted. Tapos sabi nila, no problem, we will fix it for you. So, I just let them do what they needed to do. I stayed there the whole day. Pagkatapos nun, yeah, my hair looked great. It was really nice, kinurl pa nila and everything, so I was really happy with it. Pagdating ko sa sasakyan ko, dun ko na-realize that every time I touch my hair, it feels really stiff. And pag ginaganon ko yung hair ko, parang naglalaga siya, guys. And na-realize ko na nasunog na yung buhok ko. Yeah, guys, I think Ate Vietnamese put too much bleach in my hair without me realizing it. I got so depressed because it takes forever for me to grow my hair, and isang araw lang, pinakulayan ko yung hair ko and I needed to cut it. Hanggang dito talaga yung cut ko, guys. Oh, kasi 'di ba, buti na lang yung balayage nagsa-start dito malapit sa middle. Kasi pag buong buhok ko yung binilch ko, ay naku guys, I'm bald now for sure. That was seriously the dumbest decision I made in my life, guys. But you know what? I learned a lesson from it, and now hindi na talaga ako basta-basta pumupunta sa mga salon na mga I think too good to be true na mga prices. I make sure na yung pinupuntahan ko na mga salon ay yung mga kilala na talaga and trusted ones. Kasi pumunta ako doon because it was cheaper compared sa ibang salon na tinanungan ko. Kaya yun yung nangyari. Kaya guys, take note, huwag niyong tipirin yung buhok niyo. So castor oil is known for helping our hair grow faster. And I mixed it with the organic sesame oil. Ayan. And I don't use it all the time. It's only maybe, I don't know, every 3 months I use this one because for me this is just a treatment, so not all the time. So the next item that I'm going to share with you is this product from Tresemme, and this is the heat protective spray. So ito yung ini-spray ko sa hair ko before ko pinaplansya ang aking buhok. Kasi nga 'di ba, dry na nga yung buhok ko tapos pinaplansya ko pa, yun patay na patay talaga siya. What I really love about this one is that it doesn't only protects the hair against the heat damage, but also adds shine. So every time na pinaplansya ko yung buhok ko or kinukulot ko yung buhok ko, hindi siya mukhang patay na patay. Kahit deep inside, patay na talaga siya. But yeah, thank you Tresemme for making this one. And the next one is this item from Toni&Guy, and this is the Sky High Volume Dry Shampoo. So what I love about dry shampoo is that it saves my day every time hindi ako naliligo. Minsan pag hindi ka naliligo, nagiging oily yung hair mo. Kaya this dry shampoo helps you with that problem. And pinili ko yung volume dry shampoo kasi yung hair ko kasi very flat na flat. Kaya every time na hindi ko feel maligo, ganon, tapos spray ko lang ng ganyan, and it gives the illusion na parang may volume yung hair ko. Try natin konti ha, kasi hindi ako naligo. Ayan, parang ganon lang. Ayan o, diba? May volume na. What? What did you say? I can't hear you. Next up is this product again from Tresemme. And this is the shampoo that I'm currently using. This is the smooth and silky one for dry and freeze prone hair. This is literally my hair. There's nothing very special I can say about this shampoo. This is just a normal shampoo for me. So down to my conditioner, the one that I'm using is from L'Oreal Paris. Ayan. So this is for, again, dry, dull hair. And let me tell you guys, this is my holy grail. Like seriously, since nag-start akong gumamit ng conditioner na to, hindi na talaga ako bumili ng ibang conditioner. Because I love this one very much. For some reason, compared to other conditioner, this one is very light sa hair. Yun bang, na-try ko yung ibang conditioner before na every time nalagay ko sa hair ko, it feels like very mabigat. And this one is different. That's why I'm sticking to this one now. And I hope na i-try na siya and let me know what you think about it. Because as mentioned, this is my holy grail and I think I'm not going to switch anytime soon. And the last two items that I'm sharing with you today are this purple shampoo and mask. So this brand is from Fanola, and I've had this one for so long, like I think a year now. And because they're 1 liter each, kung maririnig nyo, the mask doesn't do the noise. But yeah, this is very helpful sa hair ko kasi as I mentioned, my hair has been bleached a million times and this helps me keep the color on my hair. Minsan kasi, when we bleach our hair, it tends to like parang nagba-bronze or nag-yellow siya. Kaya purple shampoo is really good for that. So there you go guys, those are the 10 hair care products that I'm currently using. Let me know which one you have at the moment or which one you wanna try. And as mentioned before, never tipid-tipid your hair. Kasi as we all know, hair is the crown that we will never take off. Kaya invest on your hair care products. That's about it for today's video guys. I hope that you like it and I hope that you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed filming it for you. Please give this video a thumbs up and also please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family and also ring that bell so you will get notified every time I upload videos like this. And I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye!